All right, in this little screencast, I'm going to show you how I want you to upload your trading cards or any other file I ask you to download. It could be a photo, it could be a trading card, it could be a timeline, any file that I ask you to download. I'm going to want everything housed on Class Dojo. So unless you're turning into Discovery, Class Dojo is where I'm going to want it. So once you log into Class Dojo, you go to dojo.me and put in my code. Here are the assignments will be underneath Portfolio. But if you go to Story, then you can have a little bit more leeway here. And let me move myself out the way right now. Okay. And here we'll say photo, video, draw, file, and journal. Well, what you're going to do, let's imagine we've already made our trading card and we finish it. I don't want you to save it as a draft. I want you to save it as a final. Make sure you save it as a PDF because some of you somehow save it as an RWF file, and if you save it as an RWF, I can't see it. So make sure you save it as a PDF. And again, you go to Save Final, and then I'm just going to title this Practice. All right, and you guys can just title it whatever the topic is. Okay. And so once I have it saved, then I'm gonna go to Class Dojo. Then I'm gonna click where it says File, and then you're not gonna upload an image. You're gonna upload a file, and then you will just choose your file, and it should be underneath. Most of the time I'm going to ask you to put it underneath downloads, and so let me move myself out of the way again here. Okay, but in this case I put it underneath Practice, but if I put it underneath Desktop. On your computers though, remember to always save it underneath Downloads, and never sign in as subteacher teacher. Please sign in as you, because if you sign in as subteacher teacher, you're not going to be able to know where your files are. But anyway, the last thing you do here, you select your PDF, and then you're going to press Post, and then that's how you turn in your work to me on Class Dojo.